Shubor nakaslem jong udongsan Hima.
Ka Shlam Traikam Jangka District Sports Officer West Khasi Hills District mentakasngi ka artarik ujemang arja arpusau kala penlong ya kelumpung ya lekai sports ki khana Skul ka balai haka district ya ka balatip ru kum ka third East and West Khasi Hills District level into school athletic meet arja arpusau ya ka ni kelumpung la penlong Hamadan KSA Mission Mairang Hakabaka Sports Officer Jangka Tanat Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs ka Kong Darlin Khonglam kalayo ban Plie perda haringkat ke jingdon lang ke DSO West Khasi Hills ke kong balarina sim ki sordar shnong ki nong traikam sorkar ki khana Skul bat ki wei shu ha kan ke lumpung ya lekai sports ki khana Skul ke balai jong ke district lawan ban Ïashimbynta da ki arphulai tali ki Skul na kan ka than bat ki don hadu lai tali ki kategori kata na ka benta ki under 14 under 16 but under 18 jong baro ar ki liang kan thei bat shenrang.
The race is underway, is leading the way, yellow side by side. The finishing line is in sight. Now it seems to have crosses the line. Number 1679, Bansha. Trying to overcome to pass through to the finishing line. Who will reach first? Will the leader lead the race?
Informing you that the district level inter-school athletic meet is organized in all the districts of the state. We have 12 districts, and the same program is being organized in all the districts where the top athletes, top talented athletes are selected to represent the district at the state level tournament, which is conducted by the Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs, Government of Meghalaya, which is a platform for athletes to display their skills, their talents in the field of athletics. It promotes the spirit of oneness and spirit of competition that encourage the athletes to achieve the best. The Directorate of Sports and Youth Affairs do spot talented athletes during the state level athletic meet conducted by the department. We provide further coaching camp and further send teams to represent the state at the national level competition. We have the national sports games, which is organized by the School Games Federation of India. We do send teams for the National School Games and also for the Khelo India Youth Games. These are the big national tournaments. So from the state level, we do select athletes to represent, and there are some other tournaments too, which we have the regional, the zonal, the East zone, all these competitions. We do send teams to represent the state.